your client do a formal reading of this complaint statement of rights?
Yes.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf?
Yes.
Eric Holder was formally charged today with the murder of Nipsey Hussle, 2 counts of attempted murder, the 2 men that were standing next to him, and a count of being a felon with a firearm. And he also has a very famous attorney, Christopher Darden, who was the prosecutor in the O.J. Simpson case 24 years ago.
And what is your request, sir?
May 10th, Friday, for an additional plea.
Darden entered the courtroom a little after 2 o'clock and spent nearly 35 minutes with his client in a back room. There were times when he did his best to hide his client from the cameras, but Holder, who's extremely tall, was in clear view of the cameras that were pointing at him.
Do you wish to be heard as to bail today, Mr. Darden?
No, Your Honor.
Holder's bail was set at $5 million, and he will be back in court on May 10th. Outside of court, Darden did not answer any questions. When I asked if Holder's people reached out to him, he said, "I have to catch a plane," and then he hustled down the staircase. The prosecutor in this case, John McKinney, said he had no comment to make either. When I asked, what about the female who drove Holder away from the crime scene, who has been talking to police, will she be charged? He said, no comment.
We want to make sure that everyone who's responsible for the murder of Nipsey Hussle is brought to justice. That woman is lying through her teeth. She's a getaway driver.
At the memorial site where Hussle was murdered, a steady stream of people continue to pour in and pay their respects. In the courtroom today in downtown Los Angeles, security was extremely tight. 20 deputies were scattered throughout the courtroom. Holder was brought in a squad car under heavy guard, and he's being kept in solitary confinement. And now he has a famous lawyer who during the O.J. Simpson trial was a household name. If there were any family members on either side, either from Mr. Hussle's side or from Holder's side, they were able to elude the media, or we just didn't know who they were. It was very, very quiet inside that courtroom. Of course, the presence of the 20 deputies made sure of that. So again, the next court appearance May 10th. Bail is $5 million, and a very famous name from the past will be very much involved in this case. You're pointing